This 6-stage cleaning system was designed by Jensen Fabrication for Cummins filtration. Angler Industries has provided the chemistry. This informative video was put together by Angler Industries as an introduction to the process and maintenance of the chemistry. The process consists of 2 wash cycles, 3 rinse cycles, and 1 cycle with a rust preventive. The cleaner used is Angler's Ultra Bright H90 and the rust preventive is Angler's Rust Preventive 245. The first cleaning stage is Angler's Ultra Bright H90 run at a 3% concentration in this agitation tank for 3 minutes. The parts then move to the second cleaning station, which is again Angler's Ultra Bright H90 at a 3% concentration in an ultrasonic tank. The parts then cycle to the first rinse station, which has Ultra Bright H90 maintained at a 1% concentration for residual rust protection. The parts are rinsed a second time in a tank containing no chemistry, just deionized water, for 3 minutes. The parts then move to the third and final rinse, which is again a tank with no chemistry, just deionized water, run for 3 minutes. The final stage of the process is a rust preventive step. This is Angler's Rust Preventive 245, which should be maintained at about a 2 to 3% concentration and is run for 3 minutes. After the rust preventive step, the parts move into a dryer and that completes the process. In order to maintain the correct concentrations of the chemistry in these tanks, we're going to now show you how to take a titration or refractometer reading from the wash tanks and the rust preventive tank. This titration procedure should be performed on the first 3 tanks first thing in the morning. Once you have collected a sample from whichever tank you are working on, pour 10 milliliters into a graduated cylinder, to which you will dilute with the deionized water to 100 milliliters.
Cylinder goes into Erlenmeyer flask. Add 4 drops methyl orange. 1, 2, 3, 4. Swirl the solution, turns to yellow. Got that? Add drop-wise to normal hydrochloric acid while it's stirring until solution turns to pink. 1, it's 2, it's 3, that's 4, that's 5, that's 6. 7. It's 8. The color's
drops.
changed.
That's good.
Got that? 8 drops is giving us 3.5% concentration.
Okay.
That is the concentration. If you go any more with the 2 normal, it's just gonna be pink, pink, pink. You want to get to that first pink changeover from yellow. That's the end of your endpoint. Count the drops of the 2 normal hydrochloric acid. Go to the chart. Concentration of the tank is 3.5% concentration of the H90.
While the titration procedure is the most accurate, you can also use a refractometer to do a quick check on the ultra-bright H90 tanks.
Cleaning tank number 1 again. The refractometer reading. Straight from the tank. Just place 1 drop on the RI. Flip the lid over and read the scale. .5, you can't read it. 1.5 is the scale reading it at, which also says it's about 3.5 concentration.
To check the concentration of the rust preventive tank, only the refractometer procedure is used.
Eyedropper, take solution from the rust preventive tank, 1 drop on refractometer slide, flip the in the RI tank. When you're done, remember to clean the slide and clean your refractometer.